let me push. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel DSV Motor Rod. So this is my very first video. So as the name says, DSV Motor Rod, I'm into bikes. Motor Rod is a German word for motorcycle. So this video is going to be short. I've just come out for a spin to test my camera, mic, video quality and all that. I've come out at evening 7 p.m. I want to test my GoPro's low light video capture. I want to see how it looks. So settings for the daylight is very easy, and that's why I'm not bothered much. And so let me tell you guys about my channel. Basically, I'm a guy who is very passionate about bikes, anything with wheels. Bikes are the most preferred. Yeah, so I have dreamt of being a motor vlogger, a YouTuber from a very long time, and because of few constraints I was not able to start it. Even though I'm busy right now, I'm able to afford, so I've started with this. This is my very first video, so nothing much. I just want to make sure my video quality is good at low lights, and a small vlog for you guys before I start my actual riding. So I'm from Elanka basically, and I have a cornering spot here in 4th base, so I've come here to do some corner. So let me do that fast. This is a good cornering spot, but I have to do it very carefully. There are good corners, and also we have low light, which is very good for my testing. Very good at left corners and right corners. Trying to do my best. I'm improving day by day. So I'm done with those corners. To keep my passion alive and also to entertain people, so I thought of starting with my YouTube channel DSV Motor Rod. And so here we are with the camera on my Duke 390. This is a nice place, guys. See the colors, the lights. Okay, so I'm heading to a road where I learned riding. I know most of you guys know this road. It's called GKVK Road. As per my knowledge, I know that it's GKVK Road. I don't know the exact name. So that's where I learned most of my riding. I had a bike called Benelli TNT 300. So that's where all my passion began. That was not my first bike. I used to ride my dad's Discover before that. So once that big bike came into my life, I was around 17 years old. Before I had my license, I got my bike and I started riding. That is where my passion for bikes started. In this road, in this GKVK road, I have many memories. Many old memories. Many races, many friendly races with my friends. But nothing was recorded. The road looks very busy, guys. I don't think it's going to get clear anytime soon. But let me start my stuff. Let me start riding. Can't keep waiting here. I've waited for pretty long. I waited for about 20 minutes and I don't see the traffic going down. There's a warning symbol, guys. Don't worry, it's for the fuel, and I have enough fuel on my bike for this ride. It's not a ride, to be honest, a short spin. So let me begin. Let me do it as safe as possible and as fast as possible. Most of the people on this road, they turn right and go into Vijayaranyapura. So if most of them are going there, then I don't think we have a traffic issue riding on this road. So let's see. This is a great stretch, but I'm blocked by this BMW GT. Okay, let me push. Pretty much traffic. Didn't go as I predicted. A lot of people on this road, guys. Don't mind. I've come to push. I'll keep pushing, but I'll do it as safe as possible. In the name of entertainment, I don't want to risk. much from one end to the other end of this road. I think it was fun. It's fun for me. I don't know how you guys felt. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it was fun. So this is the end of my very first vlog. Please like, share and comment. Comments are very important, guys. That's what is gonna let me know how you guys felt and what I need to improve and all that. So yeah, that's it. All good, safe and sound. DSV signing off.